How user experience UX affects SEO. Hi, I'm Navneet Kaushal. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we dive deep into digital world and unravel its secrets. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with my latest content. Today, I am exploring a fascinating topic, how user experience UX affects SEO. So let's jump right in. What is user experience UX and why should you care? First, let's define UX and explain why it matters to you. UX or user experience focuses on the overall flow, journey and structure of a website. It's different from UI or user interface, which deals with visual aspects like fonts, colors and design styles. A high quality UX is vital for a successful website, impacting both conversion rates and SEO. Older websites with their table-based layouts and outdated designs struggle to build trust, resulting in high bounce rates and poor SEO performance. So what is SXO? UX and SEO combination. SXO, Search Experience Optimization, merges UX, user experience and SEO, search engine optimization, to enhance both search engine rankings and user engagement. Understanding search intent, producing high quality content and polishing your UI UX by designing a well-structured website is crucial for SXO. This approach ensures your content meets users' need and improves overall user experience. The UX and SEO connection. You might wonder how exactly UX impacts SEO. Search engines like Google prioritizes delivering the best possible results to user, considering not only the relevancy of the content, but how user-friendly a site is, how well the content is laid out. A strategy to improve engagement and rankings. When visitors land on your website, they quickly decide whether to stay or exit. If the site doesn't meet their expectations, such as by failing to answer their queries, loading slowly, or having a confusing layout, they are likely to leave. To avoid this, it's essential to integrate robust user experience UX with effective search engine optimization SEO. A site that is easy to navigate and relevant to visitor needs encourages them to stay longer and interact with your content. This positive engagement signals search engines improving your rankings. By prioritizing UX and SEO, you enhance user satisfaction and of course increase your site visibility, traffic and conversions. Let's look at 5 effective ways to improve your user experience for better SEO. Number 1, layout and design, key to effective SEO. A well-designed layout is essential for influencing visitor behaviors and enhancing SEO efforts. It helps users find the right information quickly, understand it easily, and take the desired action. Proper heading, graphic elements, optimized with alt text play a crucial role in this process. Let's look out how the websites with good UX are actually beating big websites in the SERPs. So here I search for a keyword cheap holidays and I'm going to click on the second URL Ice Holly. So you see the website has lower DA or DR or authority, lesser number of links and still beating big sites. How? So if you see, the first thing they are doing is when you click on cheap holidays, you land on this page and it actually straight away says compare millions of cheap holidays. So what it talks about cheap holidays, it gives you a destination, it gives you airport, it gives you all the options there. And you know, when you scroll down, it gives you compare cheap holidays, it's talk about holiday inspirations and cheap holidays exactly. And you also have a CTA which says save up to £250 per booking. So you see how this website is doing much better than other websites. It is because it is matching the user intent and serving them it's in the first hole. So you see a well-designed layout significantly impacts visitor behavior and plays a crucial role in effective SEO promotions. It helps users find the right information just like in this example and it helps them take the desired action fast. Proper content structuring with heading is also essential for the UX. Additionally, incorporating graphics elements optimized with alt text is encouraged. However, ensure that any graphic element used align with the website's overall brand and theme. Number 2, speed and core web vitals. Enhancing user experience in SEO. Website speed refers to how quickly web page load and display its content to the users. Waiting for a web page to load, especially on a mobile device, can be very frustrating for a user and can act as a negative search engine ranking factor. Ideally, the page should load within less than 2 seconds. If the website or its elements take longer to load, user may return to search engine result page and opt for another result, which again is gonna be negative for an SEO perspective. This delay can also negatively impact your site's conversion rate. Furthermore, Core Web Vitals or CWV measures key aspects such as the loading time of the first screen, the ease of interactions, and the visual stability of a web page. Poor CWV performance can cause more users to leave your site, leading to decline SEO ranking and missed conversion opportunities. And for the same website iSlowly, I have run this through the debugger tool, which you can use, and you will find the URL in the description below. If you see, the first contextual pane comes in 1.58 seconds, the site loads faster, and you see people can see some action. It is on mobile friendly, and you can see immediately on the mobile what kind of content coming. So this is where the website is winning in mobile as well, and is one of the reason why it's ranking well. Also, Google has confirmed a shift from its traditional page speed estimate algorithm to evaluating page speed based on Core Web Vital. This change significantly increases the importance of CWV, and Core Web Vitals now play a crucial role in accessing a website experience and requires focused attention. Number 3, navigating the site structure. An intuitive and well-structured navigation system enhances user experience by making it easy for users to find the information they need. Clear menus, breadcrumbs, and internal linking help users navigate a site efficiently. A logical site structure also aids search engines in crawling and indexing pages effectively, improving overall site visibility. Navigation and site structure are essential for user experience and SEO. Navigation includes menus, links, breadcrumbs, and a search function, enabling efficient website movement. Clear intuitive menus and consistent navigation help users find information easily. Breadcrumbs provide a trail back through the site hierarchy, and a well-implemented search function aids quick content location, basically meaning the user will not get lost in your website. Site structure organizes content in a logical hierarchy, starting with broad categories that break into subcategories that help users and search engine understand the site. Clean descriptive URLs and internal linking improve navigation, SEO, connecting pages, and distributing pages authority. It also helps you maintain a silo of your website, which these days Google helps while doing a topical authority. Effective navigation and site structure enhances user experience by making information accessible, increasing satisfaction and engagement. A well-structured site encourages users to explore more and complete the actions like purchases or maybe requesting a quote. For SEO, it helps search engine crawls and index page better, improve search engine result visibility. In summary, a clear navigational and logical site structure boosts engagement rankings and conversions. So for example, you will see our website, sitemap. We have our sitemap. So if somebody gets lost, you can see we have digital marketing services, industries, packages, newsroom. Everything is clearly labeled here. Even if you go to the menu is purely divided into things which people want. And even if you go any of the page, you would actually see that I'll take you one of the page and show you the breadcrumbs so people are not lost. You see home, services, Google penalty secrets. So all the elements of a site UX are in play here. Number 4, content quality and readability. High quality relevant content is at the core of both UX and SEO. Informative and engaging content tailored to the target audience needs can significantly enhance user satisfaction. Using clear headings, bullet points, and short paragraphs improve readability, making it easier for user and search engines to understand the content. Incorporating multimedia elements like images and videos enriches the user experience and boosts the SEO. So here is one of the blog posts which we did, which got almost 150k views. You can see this blog post have so people when looking for what are most asked questions at Google, you will find the list of questions. We also have the search. We also have the search volume for these keywords. So most asked questions for Google for who, most Google for why, in fact when. We have clearly labeled all the questions, and this is a page which is winning in Google because it is clearly you matching the search intent and answering the questions in a proper format. It's not necessarily the format which you think is important, that each page needs to have a video. It's also important if the page is about talking about some data, then the data has to be served on the fast. So these are very, very important elements. Number 5, user engagement metrics. Search engines use various user engagement metrics to gauge the quality of a website. Metrics such as bounce rate, average session duration, and pages per session provides insight into how users interact with the site. A positive user experience characterized by lower bounce rate and higher engagement, signals search engine that the site is valuable and it helps in improving rankings. Designers and SEO must collaborate closely for successful outcome. It's no longer that the SEO just thinks that the content has to be updated on the page and the developer just thinks that all I have to do is check hashtags and the site will rank. Because UX and SEO overlaps, UX designers and SEO professionals often collaborate to improve a website usability and SERP rankings. They need to share data and report, meet regularly, and consult before making significant UX or SEO decisions. Here, I would recommend A/B split testing as well. This collaboration ensures that the website overall performance and effectiveness are enhanced. And there you have it. User experience and SEO are most intertwined than you might have thought. By focusing on providing a great user experience, you are not just making your visitors happy, but you are also signaling to search engine that your site is worth ranking higher. Now, since you understand why user experience is important in SEO, let's learn next on how to fix common site errors. For this, I recommend this video, which you can see on your screen right now. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more SEO tips. And as usual, leave any questions or comments below and I'll happy to help. Until next time, cheers.